So let's say we would like to install Composer in some kind of share hosting, and of course, mostly many hosting provider have their own Composer installed, pre-installed. So let's check Composer -v for version check. So we found that what we found Composer version 1.8.6 on 2019. That is about 1 year ago. The version is 1 year ago, previous version. So we would like to update it, but it is not possible to update this Composer. So you know what? You couldn't ask them to upgrade the Composer for you. So for your hosting and hosting space, you can have your own Composers, no problem. So to before you install, you have to make a Composer directory under the bin of your own user. Here the username is here, and we are at home. So pwd. We are here. We would like to create some directory. mkdir bin / composer alright, -p for if the bin directory does not exist. So let's go inside it. Cd okay. So we are here, and this is your Composer folder. So we will download and install the Composer here only for ourselves. Alright. To download, you need to visit their website getcomposer.org/download. Here you'll find this command, the command line installation. These 4 lines, you need to copy this. Copy this 4 line, Control A, sorry. And simply paste. It will download the Composer for you, and then the last command, it will delete the Composer setup.php which has been downloaded. So you already download the Composer PHP and delete. So after download, you need to verify your download. How to verify? You type Composer file. This file is downloaded actually as -b. Let's check with this one. Yes, before Composer you need to type the PHP. So this version is, you just install this version in your own user, under your own user and own space, hard disk space. So you are going to use this version of Composer, no problem, and you can find it under the bin Composer folder. So our next challenge is to make available everywhere, so that you can type Composer, install this kind of command anywhere. So for this reason, I need to find the path of the PHP, which is it. Let's copy it. Copy. And actually, we need to alias with, as you can see, the Composer file. You are inside the bin Composer folder, okay, and the Composer file is inside the bin Composer folder of your own user folder. So you are accessing it, no problem. And before that, you have to write the PHP which is installed in your PC. So that's why I need to find out where is the PHP, where is the location of the PHP. So our next, for this we have to do a alias operation, which will be inside the your bash script, so that anywhere you type composer blah 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 and it will work for you. Okay, let's do it. So let's go to VI. Before VI, you need to copy this thing, copy the things, user bin path PHP, paste it here, and the composer location of the composer path. This is the location. File name. All right. Okay. So this is a PHP location. All right. So tags. Okay. So let's copy. Put this here, and this line we'll put at very bottom, the alias things, very bottom. All right, it looks like all right. So let's save it, and let's go to our home location, composer -v. So let's check the, no, it's not working, it's not working. So you can, or you can do one more thing, which is reload your bash file. So what I did, source bash rc, reload my bash and type the composer v, and it will reflect my change there. However, thanks for watching.